How to view TikTok video analytics. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a quick step-by-step on how you can view your TikTok video analytics. Now it's actually very easy to do, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Now you can see I'm currently on my profile. Go ahead and click the top right-hand corner here on profile. Now in the banner here, you'll be able to see three options. Now the first option is gonna be a creator tools option. Now if you don't have this, you are gonna have to register a business account. Now you could convert from a personal to business. You can go ahead and do that very easily by heading over to account and changing your account type. Now here, go ahead and click creator tools. Once you do that, you'll be able to see all the creator tools. Now, one of them being the analytics under general. Now, all you have to do is go ahead and click on it, and you must have at least one public video to view your analytics. So you can see I don't currently have one, that's why I can't view them. But once you have that one video, you'll be able to see the analytics to that video. So if you did find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That being said, have a nice day, guys, and keep on grinding.